So when you want to differentiate a product that's two terms multiplied together, we use something called the product rule, where we differentiate the first term and multiply it by the second term, and we add to that the first term multiplied by the derivative of the second term. So here we have a product. We know it's a product because there's a multiplication sign. But even if there was no multiplication sign, even if it was written like this is how it would normally be written. We need to understand that there is a hidden multiplication sign here. That here we have two terms that are multiplied. So our first term we would consider to be u, and the second term to be v, and it doesn't matter which one is u and which one is v. So my first task is to differentiate each of those. So if I say u equals 3x to the power 4 and v is the exponential, then I can differentiate both. So the derivative of u will simply be this coefficient, this power multiplied by the coefficient. So that's 12. X to the power 4 minus 1, which is 3. And then to differentiate the exponential is unchanged. We don't change that, we don't touch that at all. But because this isn't x, it's a function of x, we use the chain rule and multiply by the derivative of 2x plus 3. So that's because of the chain rule. Now the derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2, so that's our v dash. So now we can apply the product rule and write dy by dx in full. So dy by dx will be u dash v, so this is my u dash, and that's my v. So I multiply u times the derivative of u multiplied by v. So that's 12x cubed multiplied by e to the 2x plus 3. And I add to that u v dash, so that's u multiplied by v dash. So let me move this out of the way. So plus 3x to the power 4 times 2e to the 2x plus 3. So that's your answer. I think we can simplify that by multiplying the 2 by 3. So you'd end up with 12x cubed e to the 2x plus 3 plus 6. That's 3 times 2. X to the power 4 e to the 2x plus 3. There's no need to simplify it any further. That's your final answer. So that's how to deal with the derivative when you have two terms multiplied together using the product rule and the chain rule.